Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Apple App Store reviews for your site in Webflow. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you're gonna do it, you go on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of them is Apple App Store reviews. Just click sign up for free, and you want to sign up with the Google, Facebook, or just like simple email. And when you will have it, just click login. Now here, you want to, in a search button, write Apple, and you're gonna see here Apple App Store reviews. Let's create a widget now. And now you have option between reviews, widget, carousel, grid, slider. You really choose which one you like. Let's go with the reviews widget here, and let's continue with the template. Now when we have it, you're gonna have like layout, etc. And you paste here your URL of the product, of the application, layout, style, masonry. You can go with like grid one. I like the grid style, nice. And also you can change the style if you want to change the colors, like rating color, you can choose it to red. And now just click save. After you do it, they will ask you for the plan you want to choose. You can go with the light one and start with the light one, or you can go directly to the pro or basic. I recommend going with the pro if you got like, if your site got more views, or go with the basic if you got like up to maximum 5,000 views monthly. If you don't have any, if you're starting out, go with the light one. Then they also have all applications, so you can choose different one. So when we have it and we have the widget, let's just add here the container. Yep, let's save a close, publish, and let's publish selected domains, and let's see how it looks like. And let's see now. Voila, here we got it. What I would do, what I would recommend is when you're gonna click plus, you can also choose columns and add the columns here. And it's also pretty good. So you can like play around it and do really well. So that's probably it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, definitely ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And that's probably it. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.